Well, welcome to my man cave in my mandatory social distancing due to the coronavirus. Looks like I'll be here for a couple weeks. No, I don't have the coronavirus, but I'm just delivering my lectures online. I have here my buddy Wolf today. He's going to help me get started here. And he's already advanced 2 bullets for me. So good job, Wolf. All right. Wolfer, why don't you go play, and I'll talk to the students. So I prepared this little prelude to talk about how we're going to deliver things online. I've decided to go with videos rather than a live lecture, just out of fear of bandwidth issues and technology issues and the whole internet going down because everybody's online due to the coronavirus. So also feel that the videos will be a little more convenient for you. You'll be able to watch them at your convenience, review them at your convenience, and also I would have multiple paths for delivery. If Blackboard fails, we can go to Vimeo or Google Docs or whatever, YouTube or whatever. So this first video you can see is numbered N10.0. It's a prelude to the series on networking, an overview. And the next video, 10.1, would be an introduction to networking, 10.2 on getting connected, 10.3 on network verification and more terms, and 10.4 on physical network. 10.5 will be on virtualization. Hey, thanks, Wolf. And I don't always need virtualization for networks, but it's an awesome tool and allows you to get the most out of networking. And so I think it's appropriate to discuss it here. So we will do that in video 10.5. So before we get there, just talk about some of the logistics here. And the videos are numbered in 10.0 through 10.5. And that's so you can just keep them in order. Watch them in order, which is not necessary, mandatory, but may make the most sense, at least to me. And that makes them short chunks of information, easier to digest, rather than an hour and 15-minute long video. So, and also will allow you to take notes by video number, which should allow you easier review. You are probably watching this in Panopto Viewer right now. Hopefully, and that has a lot of tools which will be very advantageous for you when you get to know the tools. I think it's pretty easy to navigate, self-explanatory, but I'll just mention a few things. Number one, the speed at which I talk. You can speed me up. So you can select 1.25 or 1.5 and make me talk really fast. You can control the window size, what's the primary window, what's the secondary window. You can actually advance to a particular timestamp, a particular slide content, skip around as you desire, forward or back. You can actually search for certain terms. You can also get more information on panopto.com, or there are tutorials on YouTube. So here's a link for a tutorial I found quickly. The first 3 minutes kind of cover the basics, and the last 5 minutes of the video are more on note-taking, which I'm not sure you can do unless you have an account to log into. I also will post the master PowerPoint, and that will allow you to see all of the content all in one place and in PowerPoint form instead of video. and there will be a corresponding quiz or possibly quizzes online on Blackboard, and those will be open so you can use the video, the PowerPoint, your notes, or any resource. Just beware that some of this content will be on the final exam and that will not be open. Here's a shot of Panopto Viewer. So we have a video slide screen capture of me playing back my own video. Interesting, but here you can see the tools for adjusting the speed, going to a particular topic, going directly to a topic, or selecting by slide. The next video will be N10.1, the introduction to networking, and I will see you there.